In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. And today, a very important day in the calendar of Sevalu, January 18, 2026. Now, Ahmed, today na the spirit for love Islamic inspiration, motivational quote, and Quranic verse about this particular day today, which His Excellency Dr. Julius Mother Bilo put aside. For all we remember the 11 years wey the war wey Kabba'S declare say war don done. Na Ahmed we don come na the street follow you na this particular quote. Of this national remembrance day, we reflect on Sierra Leone's journey through the brutal and senseless 11 years Arabian War from 1991 to 2002. We recall the loss, displacement, and suffering. Yes, we know say we lost Okuti, displacement dey and people dey suffer. We remember the atrocities, amputation, of course, yes, and lost loved one. We all know that they lay belle woman, they kill them, they act, they argue, say that belle na boy pikin, that na girl pikin. We see that day. We see just sleep nothing in the one. We see that day. They kill both among before we see that day. That all na im late former president Dr. Ahmed declare say war don done on this day today 2002. Peace is not just the absence of war, it is the presence of hope. No let me say because of not in war, we no go talk about peace. Now peace for talk about. That is why former late Bakaba maybe declare say war don done na and president Dr. Julius Mother Bilo can say he go put this state here aside for not remember that day. Very much important. Remember the past. Build a better future. Don't remember the past and not build better future. Sierra Leone, from war to peace, unity is the key. Don't take now some Quranic verse. Verily, Allah is with those who are patient. Quran number 2, verse 153. Peace is the best. Quran number 8, verse 46. The best of people are those who bring most benefit to others. That's my hadith. Very much important where we as a Muslim we for take that day into consideration. Why will they say all this? We all know say the prophet and he migrate from Mecca to go Medina. One day he don sleep, na he dream he come back Mecca. He don't he tell all his companions dem when they move come na Mecca. On their way coming, the disbelievers they come on Mecca can meet up the prophet once as they come to the pier. That place in a village. Na they call the Ubideya treat, wey very much important. And wetin na be the message wey the disbelievers dem can be say prophet we almost na una get Mecca na all get Mecca, but you no go Mecca past next year. So on that note, I want to call with attention with all excuse me, very much important for us to maintain peace. Do ya we dey beg this day wey the president don put aside not to forget gladly. Now remember how this country be dey. Today we dey enjoy the peace. So then the peace very much expensive. Love spread peace, gain tranquility. This na this very much important. Lastly, let's cherish peace, promote unity, and build a better future that we find for we na Sierra Leone. I thank you all. The man wey dey the camera na Imam Ali Kane, and the person wey help for bring this program to we na Ambassador Alayi Musa Kuruma. Na him help for this message I reach you today. Wassalam.